Hi everybody, this is Mars, and today I want to share with you this awesome technique of creating braid-like patterns in Blender. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so we're in a new project. Let's narrow down our cube, S, Shift Z, apply scale, and I'm gonna create a shape that resembles band or strap. Basically extruding things and moving them around. Rotate this one, extrude again, move. Yeah, I think this will be good. Apply subdivision surface, shade smooth, add supporting edge loops, and just forgot to move the geometry in the edit mode so it will not overlap in the future. Now go over to modifiers, add array and set it to object offset, drop empty, and make sure that your empty is right at the origin point of the geometry. So select geometry and cursor to selected, Shift S again, selection to cursor. Alright, I'm gonna choose my empty as an offset, and here's the trick to mirror it on the x-axis. I'm gonna select empty and set scale on x to -1. And here let's set count to say 30. Now if I move my empty on Z, we will see this braid. Yeah, so the cool thing about this method is that you can modify your geometry on the go. Okay, cool. Although it looks okay, if we switch to material preview, we will clearly see that normals on the right side are completely broken. One way to fix this is to convert visual geometry to mesh. So this will be destructive method. And now if I enter edit mode, press A and Alt N, I can recalculate my normals. As you see, normals are pointing outside. Everything's right. Let's drop curve and go over to modifiers again. Add curve modifier and select this curve. Okay. Deform axis to Z. There we go. Switch to top view by pressing 7 on the numpad, and now I can make this curve longer. Yeah. As you remember, we applied all the modifiers by converting the visual geometry to mesh, and now we can control the number of segments in this braid. But what we can do instead is we can drop another array modifier, and this time set relative offset, and of course change the order of modifiers. Try something like this. Let's rotate it. It works perfectly. You can add some segments to this, and move it as you want. Alright guys, that's it for today. I will leave a link to this file in the description so you can download it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like. Bye bye.